So, how many people are COVID long haulers? In a recent study published in Lancet in January of 2021, there was analysis of over 1,700 hospitalized patients from China, and over 76% of them reported at least one lingering symptom of COVID-19 at 6 months out. There's no standardized definition for long haulers, and the data is limited, including what recovery rates may look like. But there is more data and there are publications that are coming out now. There are some doctors who study diseases of the autonomic nervous system who are surveying patients in social media at 3-month increments. I saw something on Facebook about this, and they're hoping to accumulate more data. And someone also asked for how long do COVID-19 long haulers generally experience symptoms of COVID? This is completely unknown, and there's insufficient data currently to make a statement about that.